Hello viewers and welcome to part 6 of our 3-story multi-purpose building project. And update lang sa accomplishments. So ito na siya ngayon. Unti-unti na rin siya nabubuo katulad ng duplex. So tingnan natin kung ano bang accomplishments nila. Ito muna ating titingnan. So ito yung septic tank. Check natin yung loob. So may tubig pa. Pagkatanggal ng tubig, waterproofing din, tatakpan na namin. Let's go ahead and check the ground floor. And ito nga pala yung gagamitin natin sa kisame. Metal fairing, carrying channel, and wall angle. Yun naman ang hard flex. And ganito yung itsura niya from inside. Yan. So ito yung open space. Open space din. And this is the CR. Comfort room. So maglalagay pa kami dyan ng toilet, lavatories, and shower. Syempre yung faucet din kasama. Let's go ahead and check the second floor. So dito tayo dadaan. Ito yung hagdan. So yung hagdan, nalagyan pa namin yun ng tile saka railings. Pero unahin muna namin yung mga units. Pwede ang panghuli na to. And this is the second floor. So yan yung hallway. And ito yung view from the second floor. Ganon. And yung kisame, ginagawa na. And check natin yung loob. So ito yung second floor. Similar sa first floor. Meron nga lang siyang bakod. Kasi may hallway siya. Pwedeng balcony. And ito naman yung comfort room. So hindi pa rin namin ito naayos. Check nga natin to. So yan yung view. And ito open space kasi gagawan to ng ramp for PWD. Hanggang ano siya, third floor. And since open to, so lalagyan muna namin to ng caution tape sa kaharangan para iwas aksidente. And by the way, kung nakikita nyo to, doon nililipat ang entrance. And ito naman tatambakan. So lahat yan tatambakan hanggang kapantay na yung flooring ng building. And let's check the accomplishment on the third floor. So ano na ba yung mga natapos nila at ano na yung mga currently ginagawa. This is the third floor of the 3-story multi-purpose building. And ganito yung itsura niya. Overlooking view, kita yung kabilang resort and kita yung dagat. So dito ilalagay yung swimming pool. So dito sa third floor, finishing works na. And susunod na dito mga painting works saka electrical works. Ganito naman yung view from the inside. And as you can see, open talaga. Function hall siya. And ito, nag-install na kami ng trusses and hinihintay na lang namin yung yero para mabubungan. Katulad sa second floor, meron din dito nakaabang na bakal. So nakadugtong din dito yung rampa for PWD. And we're done here. So like duplex, ito si 3-story, deadline na rin siya sa March. So pang-abol sila and hopefully on or before March, ma-accomplish na namin to buo and ma-turn over na sa client. So that's all for today's video guys. And thank you so much for taking time to watch my vlog. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Facebook. And also please subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Rainsford TV. Until next time.